from this to this, from this to this, from this to this, and from this to this. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how to replicate any thumbnail of your choice. Yes, how to recreate any thumbnail of your choice using just AI. Yes, we are achieving this with a combination of Chatgpt and image effects. And maybe there's an image there or a logo of that big channel and you want to remove it. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove it also. We are going to be editing that thumbnail. Yes, we will do a lot of work on it, and it's very simple and it doesn't take much of your time. Within 10 minutes, you'll be able to create a very eye-catching thumbnail from a very big YouTuber. Yes, even though apart from replicating, how you can generate your own thumbnail also to achieve that result that you want, a very eye-catching one. You understand? You know, I don't promise and fail. So make sure to stick with me to the very end of this video and you not regret it. So the first thing to do is to head over to YouTube and screenshot the thumbnail that you want to replicate. If you look very well here, I have some thumbnail here. You understand? Look very well. Those are the thumbnail that I want to replicate. If you look at that. You understand? So those are the thumbnail that I want to replicate. This one I've already cropped it out. So after you screenshot it, go ahead and crop it out. Yes, crop out the thumbnail, crop it out. The part that you want, as you can see, I crop it out like this. I crop out the thumbnail, save it. As you can see, I've cropped everything out. Look at that. Okay, so just go ahead and take your screenshot, then crop everything out. So after you crop it out, just head over to Chatgpt. So head over to Chatgpt. As you can see here, my Chatgpt. Head over to Chatgpt. So there are two methods that we are going to be using. The first one, we are going to be doing it using prompt, and the second one, I'm going to tell you at the course of this video. So make sure to pay very close attention. Do you understand? So let's use the first method, which is prompt. So just go ahead and upload your image. Yes. So just go ahead and upload your image. Yes, the screenshot that you just crop. So which one? Let's start with this one. Let's start with this one. Okay, let's use this one as an example. So now you're going to tell Chatgpt to study this image, analyze this image, and write out the prompt very well to create the same exact type of thumbnail. Do you understand? Now see what I'm going to type. Okay guys, look at my prompt. I say study this image very well, analyze this image, and write a prompt to generate this same image. The size should be 1280:720. That is thumbnail resolution. Do you understand? So just go ahead and hit OK. So now with this, Chatgpt is going to generate a prompt in order to create this design, in order to create this thumbnail. Do you understand? Chatgpt will write a prompt of this thumbnail for me. Now watch and see. Okay. Yes, as you can see, this is the prompt of this thumbnail that Chatgpt just generated. Yes, look at the prompt. So now what you have to do now is to just go ahead and copy this prompt. Go ahead and copy this prompt. Copy. As you can see, I've copied my prompt, and then head over to Chrome, search for image FS. Yes, search for Google image FS. So here we are on image FS. Just go ahead and paste your prompt that you just copied from Chatgpt. After you paste it, make sure to change the setting, the resolution to landscape. As you can see, landscape, change it to landscape, and then hit generate. Let's watch and see what image FS is going to generate for us. Okay guys, as you can see, look at that. Do you see? Look at the image. Look at the thumbnail that image FS generated for us. So this is the replica of that thumbnail. Do you understand? Look at that. You see? Look at one. Look at another one. This is perfect. Do you understand? In fact, this is better than the first one saved. Do you understand? Look at that. So now I just replicate that big channel thumbnail. So just go ahead and download your thumbnail. So the question now is that what if you want to edit? Maybe you want to change something. For example, let me say this 30 years of salary. What if you want to change it? or maybe you want to change this particular man to black man, or this sign, or that house. What if you want to change it? So all you have to do is to come to the prompt that Chatgpt generated. For example, if you look at it very well, you see for sale. If you want to change that for sale, just come to this place, you will see it here. You will see for sale, locate for sale here, look at it, for sale. So just go ahead and change this for sale. Do you understand? Now okay, let me paste it. Let me paste the image here. Let me say I want to change that for sale to buy. I'll just come here and change it. Do you understand? I can change it to buy. And then if image FX is going to generate, it's going to generate it with buy instead of for sale. Do you understand? Or this 30 years of salary, what if I want to change it? Now look at that 30 years for salary. This 30 years for salary, if I want to change it, I'll just have to come to this place and re-edit it. You understand? And edit it. You see, you can change it to 30 years or 40 years, or just write anything that you want to write. Let me say 40 years. So now I've changed it. So if you carry this particular prompt, take it to image FX, instead of 30 years, image FX will generate 40 years. Do you understand? Okay, what if you want to change that man to a black man? Do you understand? So now locate where the man is here on the prompt. Locate the man. You see where the right man image. Okay, this man, there's, okay, you can just change it to there's a serious black man. There's a serious black man. Black man. Do you understand? If you want to change the man to black, do you understand? You can say there's a serious black man with a glass. And then if image FX want to generate this image, the man is going to be black. Do you understand? So this is how you can edit it to give you the result that you want. Do you understand? Okay guys, let's make another example to understand better. Let's make another example. Let's upload a new image. For example, let me say I want to create this image. And then write your prompt, the same prompt that I just write here. This okay, Chatgpt have generated our prompt for us, so just go ahead and copy this prompt, copy, and then head over to image FX. Okay, here we are on image FX. Paste your prompt, change your setting to landscape. Okay, mine's already on landscape. Make sure to change it to landscape and then hit generate. Let's wait for image FX to do the magic again. Okay, look at that, man. Damn, this is even better than the original. Now look at the original, look at the one that image FX generated. Which one is better? You talk the truth now. This is better. Do you understand? If you see any thumbnail that you love, just go ahead, screenshot it, come to display, regenerate it, and then your video will blow up. So if you create a video and you don't have idea for a particular thumbnail for it, just head over to YouTube, search for the same type of video, screenshot the thumbnail, and then head over to Chatgpt, write your prompt, then come over to image FX and then generate the thumbnail. Do you understand? You can make adjustment on the prompt on Chatgpt. Do you understand? I show you, right? Okay guys, another easiest method that I'm going to be teaching you is the direct method. Yes, using Chatgpt. So for you to do this, all you need to do is to just go ahead and then upload your image. Okay, now this is the image. Now let's use this same image. I want to replicate exactly this type of image. So I'm going to tell Chatgpt to recreate exactly this type of image, and then boom, Chatgpt will do it. Let's type our prompt. Here's what I type. I say recreate exact type of this YouTube thumbnail. Let's see what Chatgpt is going to generate for us. Okay, as you can see, exactly. Do you understand? Look at that. Exactly, Chatgpt will recreate exactly the type of image for us. I made a mistake. I'm supposed to write the size of the image to Chatgpt, the size that is going to generate. Do you understand? So to do that, just come here, copy. As you upload your image, instead of you to just write this recreate exact type of image, you have to put the size. The size should be 1280 ratio 720. So Chatgpt is going to recreate this image for me to fit YouTube size. Okay, look at that. You see, bar. So this is YouTube resolution. Do you understand? This is YouTube resolution. So now I told you, what if you want to change this particular man? What if you want to change this man? What if you want to change this man to your own image? To do that, you just have to come to this place, upload the two image, upload this one, and look for another of your image. For example, let me say this guy. So, but if you look very well, upgrade to Chatgpt Plus to attach more file. Yes, why? Because I'm using a free version of Chatgpt, so my limited time to upload image has expired. Because I'm using a free version of Chatgpt, I'm not allowed to upload any image or create any image again. I'm only allowed to upload image or generate image only 3 to 4 image a day. So with this, I'm not going to be able to do that one again. But this is what you are going to do. Let me still teach you. Now this is what you are going to do. Tell Chatgpt that the first image is a reference, that you want to create exactly that type of image, and the second one is your image, and you want the man on the image 2 to replace the man on the image 1, and then boom, Chatgpt will generate exactly for you. Do you understand? So this is basically how to do it. So this is basically how to replicate any kind of thumbnail. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Hit that subscribe button and like the video. And if you're watching from Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, I highly recommend you to follow this account. This is Midjourney, as per usual friend, hand to head. Salute. Bye.